Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngidi isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyijiyane.
Lona-ke uCommander in Chief owaziwa ngelika Julius Malema ongumholi kaphinde abe ngumsunguli weqembu le-Economic Freedom Fighters uphumele kobala ngodaba likaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngalesikhathi-ke ekhomba ngenjumbane lowo kwakungukhomishana kwamaphoyisa esifundazweni noma-ke eNingizimu Afrika umnumzana-ke uSenzo Mchunu. uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukhombe kuSenzo Mchunu njengomunye-ke weyigebengu ey'phethekelele ilizwe elizigebengu ey'hamba phansi futhi-ke abaningi abangazibhekile. uMalema ukhulume semngcwabeni kalowo-ke owayengusekela mongameli wakuleli kumnumzane uDavid Mabuza eBarberton kwelaseMpumalanga ekhuluma-ke noSiphamandla Goge ufeze ukuthi-ke umongameli-ke wayesofanele ukuthi kamxoshe ngokukhulu ukushesha-ke lapha kumnumzane uSenzo Mchunu. Ekukhuluma lokhu ubesemngcwabeni-ke kalapha kwakaDavid Mabuza owayekade engusekela-ke mongameli wezwekazi-ke laleli laseNingizimu Afrika ekhuluma-ke noSiphamandla Goge kwabe ENCA News ufeze ngokusobala ukuthi-ke afuneki nangolukhalo-ke lapho uSenzo Mchunu uthi lesi senzo saSenzo Mchunu kuyofanele ukuthi kumongameli asifakele-ke izibuko futhi eqinisekise ukuthi-ke uyamxosha ngoba angeke kuze kwazi ukuthi-ke izwekazi laseNingizimu Afrika selingabekezelela kumuntu koyisigango ontshontshayo futhi kwasekuvelile ukuthi-ke ukhona uyabandakanya ebugebengweni obuningi baleli izwe laseNingizimu Afrika uthi le angeke beze beyibekezelelele. Ukhuluma nje ukuhamba phezulu kwamasi kweqembu le-IFP nabo abasho njalo bathi kumongameli akenze kokufanele inkulumo kaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi uma kuyikuthi kanjani-ke kuyofanele ukuthi kiswe lonke limfakeleke izibuko umnumzane-ke lapha-ke uCyril Ramaphosa lowo kuyena kophethe-ke izwekazi-ke laseNingizimu Afrika. Kuyasengazi ukuthi-ke lesi sikhathi kuzoba isikhathi-ke eside kabi njengoba kumongameli kulindele ukuthi akhulume kusasa ngesonto ngo-7 ebusuku lapho kwezobe bekhuluma-ke maqondana nayo-ke indaba le kamnumzane kuNhlanhla Mkhwanazi yokuthi-ke abakhombe ngenjumbane labo abasemthethweni. Phela-ke uMkhwanazi waphindwa akhomba-ke namajaji ase-Gauteng ukuthi-ke amdibi munye kulokhu ukuganga-ke lokhu okukhona okubatshazwa kangaka njengoba nibona-ke izwekazi laseNingizimu Afrika lingalungi uthi abantu abagwetshwa nje ababoshwa kungenxa-ke yokhomishana-ke nomkhuzi-ke bamaphoyisa kanjalo-ke namajaji asema-High Court uthi-ke iwona aphethe-ke lokhu kuganga okukhulu.
I know we're here to mourn, but the other matters on the public platform, the issue of the police minister, the president said he's going to speak tomorrow. What is your take? What is your comment on how the president should handle what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has said and alleged?
Well, President should fire Mchunu with immediate effect. Mchunu came with a baggage. He's not old in the job. He's very new, but already tainted. This is a man who went to that institution to go and do wrong things. You want to our people to have confidence again in the police. You have to fire the executive authority and then put order. If there are generals that have misbehaved, the national commissioner should act on those generals. And then we start dealing with crime. The role of the police is to deal with crime, not to connive with criminals.
Kanti kuMalema uphinde waphumela obala-ke futhi waphawula-ke ngomnumzane uDavid Mabuza wakuveza ukuthi kwasebenzisana kahle-ke nomntaka Mabuza ngalesi sikhathi-ke yena-ke esese yilungu le-ANC uthi kusukela-ke ebuncaneni-ke bakhe kwazi ngoba ukuthi kuyaphoqa ukuthi kuyaholeke i-ANC Youth League. uDavid Mabuza engobanye-ke babahola babemeseka kakhulu uthi uyohlala ngaso sonke isikhathi-ke lihloniphe iqhaza elibanjwe-ke nguMabuza kwimpilweni-ke yakhe kanjalo-ke futhi nasebuholini nje bonke bukaMabuza. uthi uMabuza bekade-ke ngumholi ekwazi ukuthi kuyaholeke njeke lapha kabantu kanti kuMabuza ungconywe kakhulu ngesenzo-ke sakhe bakithi sokuthi ube uhlonipha kakhulu-ke umphakathi ukuze kwafela nokuthi-ke waqala-ke lapha ebuthisheleni nokuyilapho-ke abaningi abaqala khona ukumthanda. uJulius Malema uthi kulapha njengenxa yokuthi uDavid Mabuza wayemeseka eyilungu le-ANC uthi uDavid Mabuza akazange azabeke nomona ekuthenini-ke ungumholi ohlonishwayo kakhulu. uDavid Mabuza wasondela-ke kumina wangifundisa ukuthi kufuna ngenze njani futhi kufuna ngibe umholi onjani ukuze kusasa ngibe ngumholi oqotho kusho uMalema ehlonipha-ke iqhaza likaMabuza.
As a very good comrade of ours, he worked the ground. He was a man of the people. He was helping people on the ground, especially in Mpumalanga. I worked with him from the time when I was the Youth League secretary and I was to become the president of the Youth League. We worked very closely and he supported me, and I've always had that close relationship with him. What touched me of late about him is when he went to build a house for a PA of Winnie Mandela, who was rejected and neglected by those who were supposed to take care of her. And DD remembered her and helped her.
You mentioned Winnie Madikizela Mandela. Umama Beno Didi, they were very clear that they wanted to persuade you to go back to the ANC.
They were very hopeful that the ANC will become something else, something that they know. But this is not the ANC they know. This is a criminal cartel. This is an organization that is there stealing the resources of the masses of our people. We're standing here and we're asking ourselves how much was stolen here. Because you know, every time they see funerals of this magnitude, or funerals that are declared state funerals, that's where they see an opportunity to loot. I refuse to be part of that syndicate. I want to be on the side of the people.
Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngigida isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyitshiyane